Today we're going to install a driver side view mirror on a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and just slide it in right through there. We're going to go ahead and open up the door. We're going to grab the 2 Torx screws to tie that down, and we're going to use a Torx 40 to secure it down. So let's go ahead and grab the mirror from through the other side, through the window. Grab it and align it and put in the screws. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and secure them down. We're going to hand tie them all the way down as far as possible. Alright, we're going to grab our little multi-tool and use the size 40, Torx 40. And we're going to go ahead and secure this down. Make sure we tie it down evenly. Let's go ahead and start securing it down. Alright, not too tight, it is plastic. And this one, oh, there it is, and there it is. Sweet. And that is how you install a driver's side view mirror on a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.